Welcome to 5894 Bay Tree Court in Milton, Florida. I'm here to give you a full home tour of this home here. It is located on a cul-de-sac, as you can see, so no through traffic there. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It comes fully complete with hurricane coverings as well. 2-car garage and nice spacious open floor plan. So coming in, we have the main foyer area. There's vinyl flooring throughout all the main living area of this home, and then carpet in the bedrooms. So when you come in on the right hand side of the house, you have 2 bedrooms over here, this one on the front side of the house, and a bathroom as well. The 2nd bedroom over here on the front side of the house. And over here on the left-hand side, you have a laundry room with additional shelving above. And the 3rd bedroom over here, right off the garage entrance. Full blinds throughout this house, so all those are already set in place. So into the kitchen here, we have a nice size island with a breakfast bar. Nice and open, spacious floor plan into the dining area. We also have a pantry as well in this kitchen. So nice open concept floor plan in here, which flows nicely over here right into the living room. Over into the master bedroom, you have a little bit of separation, so it's a split floor plan. Little privacy for the master back here on the back side of the house. 2 windows that look out into the fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. The master bathroom has a double vanity and a walk-in closet, as well as a garden tub. And over here you have your separate walk-in shower that goes right into the walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet as well with additional storage above. And you have a water closet as well in here for a little bit of privacy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take you out back and give you a little tour of the backyard here. So out into the backyard, we have a little covered lanai over here with a wonderful fire pit that the seller has put in the backyard over here. So nice sized backyard with this, being that we're on a cul-de-sac over here. Plenty of room for whatever you may want to add to the backyard with the side gate entry on this side. So let me know if y'all have any questions about this one. Great house on a new construction, just 2 years old and on a cul-de-sac. Nice and quiet, perfect for kids, for riding bikes and things like that. So let us know if you'd like to see it or if you have any buyers who would be interested.